Once you have added the ShortPoint SPFx package file to your tenant app catalog, it's time to add the ShortPoint app to the site contents of your SharePoint site. We will be installing ShortPoint on this main root site, but you can also install ShortPoint on any other site collection from your tenant. Open your SharePoint site, click the cogwheel from the suite bar and choose the site contents. In the Open Site Contents page, click the New button and then choose App from the drop-down. Under Apps you can add or from your organization, click ShortPoint SPFx. You will be taken back to the site contents and you will see a ShortPoint SPFx dimmed item appear on the list. Wait a little bit and then refresh the page. You will now see two new items in the site contents: ShortPoint SPFx and ShortPoint SPFx Install Now.